Hello everyone. So today I will be discussing you about air pollution. Air pollution is refers to the release of pollutants into the air pollutants which are detrimental to human health and the planet as a whole. So what does it mean about air pollution? So air pollution is the contaminations of air due to the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings, or cause damage to the climate or to the materials. Sources. There are many natural sources of air quality degradations like volcanoes spew out ash, acid pits, hydrosulfide, and other toxic gases. While the natural sources is suspended particulate material in the outweigh human sources at least worldwide and many cities, there are more than 90% of the airborne particulate matters is anthropogenic human causes. So what does it mean about anthropogenic? For example, ang anthropogenic mauna siya ang groundwater obstructions, surface mining, vegetation removal, chemical explosions, and hence infrastructure. So there are two types of categories population sources, which is stationary sources and mobile sources. Stationary sources is have relatively fixed location and include point sources, fugitive sources, and area sources. So what does it mean about point sources? Ang point sources is emit pollutants from one or more controllable sites such as power plants, smokestacks. So ang smokestack guys, mauna siya ang nag-spew of carbon monoxide, heavy metal, surface dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, or particulate matter, small particle into the air. Fugitive sources is nag-generate of air pollutants from an open area exposed to wind. It includes burning for agricultural purposes in dirt roads, construction sites from lands, storage wells, surface mines, and other exposed areas. Ang area sources is a well-defined area with which several sources of air pollutants. It includes small urban communities, areas of intense industrialization within urban communities, and agricultural areas spread with herbicides and pesticides. So ang mobile sources nag-include siya og vehicles, engines, and equipment that can be categorized as either on-road or mobile sources. Categories of pollutants. There are two types of pollutants which is primary and secondary. Ang primary are those released directly from the sources into the air in harmful form. And the secondary is they are modified to hazardous from after they enter the air are formed by chemical reactions as a components of the air mix and interacts. So as you can see, na I picture diri sa gilid nga ano siya ang thematic drawing which is ano siya ang cause and effect sa air pollution. So ang number one diri mao ni siya ang greenhouse effect. And kining number two, ano siya ang particulate contamination. Kining number three, ano siya ang increased UV radiations. Kining number four, ano siya ang astrin. Number five is increased ground level ozone concentrations. And kining number six, ano siya ang ginatawag po nato na increased level of nitrogen oxide. Criteria of pollutants. So there are six pollutants named or which is sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, particulates, and leads. Sa particulate matter, there are three types of particles which is PM10 particles up to 10 micrometers in diameters. Ang PM2.5 particles between 2.5 and 0.18 cause cancer and other serious health problems, either long-term or short-term exposure. So, ang sources sa air toxins is motor vehicle exhaust and some commercials and industrial process.